G'day viewers, I found my barrel I'm going to use. Nice long barrel there. It's about 700mm long. Nice heavy duty plastic, then screws into there like that. Just got to charge up this gas bottle. Yeah, it's just as I said before, I just gauged that with a separate pressure gauge. Yeah, I might actually do this with the other air compressor actually, because I did try it with this little fridge compressor and it takes ages. So I've already let the Loctite thread seal and cure, so I'll give it a good couple of low pressure, bunch of low pressure flushes, cycled it to get any remaining residual paint and propane out. I left this open all night for the paint to dry, so let's give this thing a charge up and test. Okay, it's at 90 psi and then there's an Artline permanent marker in the barrel. Oh, look where it hit. Aim straight for that pellet and it hit it. Alright, let's have a closer look. I didn't let all the air out either, so the air compressor hasn't been cutting in for a while, so I'll let it cut in and get to full pressure and see what happens. Okay viewers, the rodding was a little bit too small. It didn't form a complete seal in the barrel. Here's a text that hit on an angle, so it did hit hard enough to crack the lid. Did that with my high current transformer. I get this compressor charged right up and use a better rodding for a better seal and see what happens. Okay, viewers, 130 is as much as this thing's going to take, so the air compressor just maxes out and equalises with this tank at 135 psi. So 3, 2, 1. Read a text to it, I have no idea. Awesome though. Point that away, safety first. Just be safe for these things. Here's where it hit. Put a fair scratch in the board. The rodding went over here. So it was a better seal that time, but where the text went, I don't know. I think it went over here somewhere. I'll look for it and see what the damage is. Just before I go looking for my projectile, I'm going to do a pressure test. See how much I got remaining in the bottle. Set the PSI, open that. 109 psi out of 140, so not bad. About 31 psi around there I lost. Not bad at all for that little quick shot. Found a texter. Here's all the bits and pieces here. About 8 metres away from the impact point. That's all I can find of the lid and the top half. Here's the actual texter itself. So it was a pretty straight impact. It did hit straight on. It would have pushed off. I went through there and pushed it away like that. So that was a pretty straight shot. With better rodding, I reckon I can get this thing to hit harder. Man, you can push this thing pretty hard to draw a full stop. Bang! Yeah, I only failed like that because I burnt it with my high current light. They were sitting in the grass just below the impact point. You see all the rest of the plastic where the nib would have been is all in there, pressed into this bit here. Just crushed it in. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.